Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. Can't believe this is the second to last week of this course. It's flown by. As I said last week, I am thoroughly floored by the hot topic presentations. They have been wonderful. I have personally learned so much, and the discourse that you are having with each other has been wonderful. You are very supportive of one another, but also asking some really great questions and doing some great learning. So I really appreciate all the participation. Please remember that when you do your hot topic presentation, your grade, along with some detailed feedback from me and a scoring rubric, will be posted in week 7 under the week 7 hot topic presentation. So if you've already done your presentation, if you look at your grades, you will see a grade in week 7 for your hot topic. So going into week 6, we're going to continue with our hot topics. And then we are going to be doing some new learning this week about standards and curriculum, some published curriculum materials, and assessment as well. There will be, again, hot topic presentations. There are 2 quizzes. And this week, hopefully all the links are working. You'll be looking at NAEYC's developmentally appropriate practices, the National Association for the Education of Young Children. You'll also be watching a webinar that actually I was one of the people who was on the webinar for the Connecticut Office of Early Childhood when the ELDS came out. So yes, that is me on the webinar. You're also going to be looking at Connecticut's Early Learning and Development Standards, as well as Teaching Strategies Gold, High Scope, OWLS, and the Investigator Club. You're going to be reviewing some principles and recommendation for assessments. There is a wonderful article by Alfie Kohn that you should be reading called 5 Reasons to Stop Saying Good Job. It's really about authentic praise. And there's actually a question on the second quiz about your thoughts on that. You're going to be looking at the Ages and Stages questionnaire, Teaching Strategies Gold, some information from Curriculum Associates, and then again, you're going to be looking at the Connecticut DOTS, which is the assessment system that goes with the ELDS. And you'll notice that the ELDS and the DOTS are posted again together just to give you easy access. And then there's a brief video to watch, and you thought they were playing. So once again, that is our material for week 6. We will be having a meetup on Sunday night at 7:30. That's going to be our last meetup is in week 6. So that is, let me just check the date. That is going to be on October 1st. So this video is going to be posted on Saturday night. So Sunday night, you will be able to get on for one last meetup in week 6. If there's any questions, you all know how to get a hold of me through messaging or through email. I'm happy to get back to you, usually within the hour, if not, definitely within a day. The one other thing I'd like to ask you is please do the course evaluation. Your feedback about both my teaching and the content of the course are really helpful moving forward. And as we are looking to redesign this course, I would really appreciate your feedback with regard to the content and also the learning activities. Did you value the hot topic presentations? Are there other ways you could think of that you would have liked to have been able to demonstrate your learning? So I'm really looking forward to your feedback. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care.